All right, order is going to be Jeff. Tony, Brandon's third, Bill's fourth. Bob Kane, you're not checking. Go across, Bob. Okay, you're good. Bob, you're fifth. Randy, sixth. Dave, seventh. Okay. One more lap, one more lap. All right, going green. Green, green, green. All right, that's a clean start. Everyone out front. Jeff out the early lead. Tony and Jared Landers look like. Randy Galloway. Tony looking low. Jeff pulls off the top. See if Tony can come off the bottom now. Tony, low again. AFX car is looking strong right on the bottom. Jeff holding up on the top. Meanwhile, Brandon Maggard closing in on both of them. We'll watch back there. Low. Backstairs. All clear. All right, let's change things up. Tony Rogers coming away with the lead now. Jeff Gale second. Dave Myers third. Brandon Maggard fourth. Bill Roberts is fifth. Randy sixth. Bob seventh. Everyone right there on the same lap except for Bob. All right, still 4 minutes to go. Tough break for Jeff. Gonna have to do a little work on the A-pillar this week. Dave Myers looks strong. Oh, watch turn four. Watch four. Still low. Low and four. Clear. Tony and Jeff get together. That puts Dave Myers on the lead now. Dave Myers on the lead. Brandon Maggard's second. Galloway's third. Bill Roberts is fourth. Tony's fifth. Jeff's back to sixth now. Bob is seventh. Whole field still on the same lap. Except for, whoa, watch back. So stay high. Oh, watch turn four. Stay low and four. Clear. Oh, tough break. Dave Myers. Transmission. That puts Maggard in the lead. Galloway right there on him in second. Jeff Galis there, but he's a lap down. Tony Rogers is in third. Bill's in fourth. Jeff is in fifth. Galloway looking for the slide job on the 45. Brandon tucks low. Finds a little traction in the grass. Galis trying to get his lap back. And we're down to 5 cars now. We got 2.5 down, 2.5 to go, halfway. Randy Galloway is now starting to check out a little bit. Riding the wall down the backstretch. Let's take a look. Galloway with 5.6, Brown with 5.7. Whoa, watch four, or three, sorry. That puts Brandon back up the lead. Here comes Tony's up in the second now. Galloway back to third. Bill's starting to close in right there in fourth. Bill's been just kind of laying back. See if he has anything here in the final 2 minutes. Looks like Maggard's in the middle, doing everything he can to keep the Landers behind him. Tony's looking low, trying to find some traction down there. Brandon slides in low, comes up high. Top three, all within about a half a second of each other. Bill just a straightaway back. Tony's trying everything he can. Top side, bottom side, he's going to dime it off now. He's wearing Brandon out. 1 minute, 20 seconds to go. Orders Brandon, Tony, Randy, Bill's fourth. Jeff is fifth. The 21's actually catching the field, I think. He's still got a half a lap to go, though. Oh, Tony and Brandon get together. Here comes Bill to the lead. I told you he's been laying back. Bill looking to win, probably be his first short course open feature here. How long, Bill? Got 50 seconds to go for Bill. Randy in second. Brandon third. Tony's fourth. What a race. .40 seconds as Bill starts to check out. Look out now. Here comes Gayworth in the 21. Jeff's got 30 seconds to make something happen here. Brandon's looking low under Randy. Randy bounces off the wall. Brandon pitches it in, trying to get something going. Can't make nothing happen on bottom. Oh, Randy shuts down. Second, third get together. It looks like Bill's got 10 seconds. Gayworth up into second now. Good job, everyone. Bill Roberts takes that one. Jeff Gayworth second. Tony Rogers is third. Galloway was fourth. Maggard was fourth. Galloway was fifth. Dave Myers sixth.